Real estate management is a growing profession. Today, property managers are expected to know more and do more. The increased competition out there means it's harder to prove your worth to the clients you need. In an industry that evolves as quickly as ours, you need a way to keep up with the changes. And the Real Estate Institute of Canada offers just that. Become a member of REIC to enhance your property management skills, network with peers, and unlock more career opportunities. And now, when you join REIC, you have the opportunity to earn the Certified Property Manager designation. The CPM designation is an internationally recognized title for property and asset management professionals and is designed to enhance the skills and knowledge of property and asset managers of any property type. Earning your CPM demonstrates expertise and integrity to those who matter most: employers, owners, and investors. In addition, you'll gain access to resources, networking, mentorships, and discounts on other REIC courses and events. Earn the respect of your employers, clients, and peers. Visit REIC online to apply for membership today.